Alright guys, this is welcome to High Tech Legion. I'm Phil, and I'm going to be going over now the how to record your screen with Camtasia. So we're in Camtasia already, so just go ahead and click the record the screen button. When you do that, the record screen interface is going to show up. You see this green grid here that represents the area that's actually going to be recorded. Down here we have a menu, capture menu, just basic controls, effects, tools, and we have a few other buttons here. We have full screen. Now I popped the controls over onto my second monitor. You can see the green outline is still there to control the size of it. Go back to custom. By 720. Okay. Over here we can record your webcam, so I'll turn that on, and right there you can see me again. Turn that off. Audio on. Here we go. You can set it to which audio source you want. I happen to be using a webcam. You can also set it to record system audio, so it'll pick up everything, all the sounds that would come out of your computer. But I like to turn that off unless I am going to specifically need sound recorded from my computer. We have this here. This will control the volume that stuff gets recorded at. And then over here we also have a record button. So when you want to record, you just click that. Let's go ahead into the tools first and look at the options. General tabs, just some basic settings, keyboard input, screensaver, enable, disable, inputs, again, video, camera, audio, so video setting here, what frame rate you want, your audio source again, your webcam again, and we have here hotkeys for record, pause. So instead of having to hit the record button, just press F9. To stop recording altogether, press F10. To set a marker in the video so that when you go back into Camtasia, a little reminder for yourself, you can just press Control M. ScreenDraw allows you to draw stuff on the screen with your mouse while you're doing recordings. To enable it, Control Shift D. Select region and hide tray icon. So that just determines whether or not you want to display the recorder icon in the system tray. Down here we have program, region, appearance, corners. Okay. You can hide, minimize the recorder when you start recording something, but we're just going to set that to never, just for an example. You can also set it if recorder will be recorded. That's just in case, like you're seeing how the record is within the green dashes, so it would hide it to the tray if I don't. So let's just click OK. Now let's go ahead and move that outside the area and click record. So now you see it changed. The green corners here indicate where it's being recorded, so I can actually now move this on my screen to what I want to actually be recording. So, and we can draw stuff on the screen here with ScreenDraw. See, it changes the mouse. So now I'll draw a blue rectangle. If I want the rectangle to turn red, I press the R key and it becomes red. You can see that here. Tool, you pick what you want to draw, and you can see the shortcut characters over here. Color, again, shortcut characters, R for red, magenta, C for cyan, or width, you just type in the number that you want. So say I want to make an arrow, I press A, and there we go, we have an arrow. If I want to make it big, I type, press 8, and you can see it's a bit thicker. 1, you can see it's really small. So it's pretty simple. Change it to blue, so there we go, cyan, 5, there you go. And you can also do things like, see what's one of the others, tool, align. So like align, or you can do the pen, press P for pen, and there you go. So it's, it just follows wherever your cursor is. So that's pretty neat. So the recorder is pretty simple. And then if you want to delete you can press the delete button, and that will just completely abandon everything you recorded. You can pause your recording. As you can see, the timer has stopped ticking up. This way, you know, if you need to take a break, you need to cough or something, you won't record it. So you can pause it, resume, or something's going to take a while. And pressing the stop button will pop up this preview where it's being recorded. So I can actually now move and pause it. See that? So this is a preview of everything that I recorded on the screen, so that you can watch through real quick. You can jump around. You can see this is everything that was within that green area, and you can see when I dragged the green stuff around, you can see that the stuff moved. Move this on my screen. So there we go. You can go straight to, if you really like and think you did a good job, you can go straight to producing it. Save and edit takes it straight to, else you can save the file somewhere, and then it'll pop it up inside Camtasia. Produce will save the file, and then it'll go straight to rendering the video, or you can do delete to just trash whatever you saved. I am going to go ahead and click save and edit. So we'll save it, and now Camtasia pops up, and as I showed in the other video, it asks for the dimensions. So I recorded 720. Let's just go straight for that, and now you can see here, and you can do whatever you want. When edits inside of this are pretty much exactly the same, except that now you also have the the cursor effects. So the cursor effects is basically just to draw attention to your mouse, what you're doing. So example here, cursor size, you make it big. Highlight effect, magnify whatever happens to be underneath the mouse at the time. So you move it around, you can see whatever's under the mouse gets amplified. I'll turn that highlight as well, so you can see now everything under the mouse. Yellow, spotlight, just draw attention by making everything else gray. Turn that off. Left click effect, you can make rings so that when you click, it draws attention to it. And you can set the right click or warp. You can see that there, or ripple. And same thing for the right click. Sound effects, you can add click sound effects to the video should you need to make it clear when you're clicking. This is pretty simple there. So guys, this is again High Tech Legion. I'm Phil. Thank you for watching our video, and be sure to subscribe to our videos on YouTube. Also check us out on Facebook and Twitter. And find us say hello on our forums. Just go to www.hightechlegion.com. We also have lots of other reviews there for other products, and you can find a complete review for Camtasia there as well. Thanks for watching. We'll see you later.